everybody. Don't exactly know what this vlog will be, but just gonna pull my mask down for a bit. Getting judged so bad. I'm being stared at like, why is she talking to your phone? I could be on a phone call, you know. I'm out for a walk. It's a Sunday, 11th of July, and to be honest, I was just in my house all day and I was bored. And I was like, why does this have to be a lazy Sunday? क्यों बैठी रहूँ सारा दिन मैं घर में? You know, I can just go for a walk. And I'm not gonna lie, initially, because lately I'm obsessed with exercising. I'm saying obsessed as if I'm not a trainer. But, you know, I put on some weight and I'm in the middle of losing it again. So, मैंने सोचा Sunday भी miss नहीं करते. But we promised that Sundays are rest days. Promise to myself. मैंने कहा चलो पार्क जाते हैं, walk करते हैं, and then I'll maybe do a little workout. But to be honest, I'm in the mood for some stretch, like stretching. So I think I'm gonna complete, I'm currently on my 4th or 5th lap. I'm gonna complete like 7 or 8. Really wishful thinking, but hopefully 10. Does this happen to you? Like plan किया होता है ये करेंगे वो करेंगे बड़े तीर मार लेंगे. Okay, I'm being stared at. This is hard. But like I'm also breathing like a pig. Plan किया होता है ये करेंगे वो करेंगे, and you actually get to that place and reality hits you. Okay, यार. I'm going through that these days and right now especially. So let's see. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे food options हैं and I'm getting so distracted, but नहीं, have to walk. That's the goal. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Like I told you, कितने food options हैं. There is a freaking Cinnabon in front of me right now. Like, look, my biggest weakness. No, Mona, concentrate. Concentrate. Let's go. Okay, officially wanna pull to the side and start stretching because I don't know whether be अच्छा है. Plus my legs are so freaking burnt. What should I do? Let's pull to the side. That was Adan, basically. She's my child, basically. And she just came out of nowhere randomly and decided to meet me. And she just left because she wasn't here for a long time. She had to go do some groceries and shit. Khair, I am done. That was very relaxing. I think I needed that because I just needed some time to myself. मुझे पता था कि अगर मैं ना निकलती तो फिर मैंने रात में नहीं निकलना था. And also something about this time is so peaceful. Like, just look around. It's just a little windy, a little humid. And, you know, there's lots of people around. But still, the only thing I'm scared of is getting hit by a ball because यहाँ बहुत बच्चे basketball और छोटी सी ball से खेल रहे हैं, catch and like badminton and stuff. Maybe not the most ideal time for meditation because, you know, anxiety रहती है. I feel good. I look like a mess. I have to do some grocery now. I have to go to Al Fatah and just get some items that I would need to eat in a week because I'm trying to plan my meals ahead and stuff. There's this kid that's been annoying me. I don't know if you can see. ये जा रहा है. He's trying to get in the way of my vlogging. आज शुरू की है मैंने. अब बार कभी मेरे कैमरे के पास आ रहा है, कभी कहीं आ रहा है. Like, it's so annoying. He knows I'm not, like, lots of kids here. God, it's so annoying. Fair. God, he's not stopping anytime soon. Fair, I need to get up and leave. And yeah, I guess my next clip will be in the grocery store. So yeah, I will see you guys there. Okay, so I'm in my car now, but those two kids, basically he had a brother too. They were so annoying that I had to leave because of them. I was planning on spending a bit more time there. Maybe just some, you know, ab workout and shit. But they're so annoying. It's like उनका मिशन था कि बस आज मुझे तंग करना है. I kept telling, basically I had my phone placed for the vlog, right? And वो जानबूझ के पास से ना फुटबॉल गुजार रहा था and everything, and it was so annoying. It just wasn't relaxing anymore. It was annoying. The weather is pretty nice. I kind of did not want to leave. I'm so sad about it. Like it's one of those rare days where you can be outside and breathe, you know. I mean, the heat is indescribable here in Lahore, but it's about taking advantage of the better days, and I'm still glad I did what I did. You know, I had a pretty good time by myself, and it's needed. I feel like I'm surrounded all the time, and उसमें ये होता है कि आई एम नॉट एबल टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट, या फिर मैं वो चीज़ें एड्रेस नहीं कर सकती जो मुझे करनी चाहिए. You know, कुछ चीज़ें अकेले बैठ के भी इंसान को सोचनी चाहिए. आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू दैट these days, so I need that time. Literally just remembered I carried a whole planner / journal to journal in the park or maybe at a cafe, and I completely forgot about it. Screw those kids, I swear to God. I mean, I have such a busy week ahead and I had to plan a lot of stuff, but I just can't do journaling at home. No, I just have to be outside to do it. But yeah, let's see. चीज़ें कम लेते हैं बट इतने लंबे बिल्स मिल जाते हैं. It's quite funny. मैं क्रॉकरी सेक्शन में, I don't know why I'm here, but let's see. I just love coming here. I'm just gonna take off my mask for a bit because it's just suffocating in here. Okay, you know what I hate? Getting followed by salespersons or, you know, just those employees at the supermarket. भाई मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. Just get the idea and stop following me. अगर मैं 5 मिनट कोई जवाब नहीं दिया, कुछ पूछा नहीं, तो just stop following. I'm not gonna steal anything. इतने बड़े बड़े कैमरास लगाए होते हैं. So annoying. How cute all of this is. Just look at all of this. This is my joyland. How cute is this? I'm that kind of a person who walks into the store and wants everything, like literally everything. And I'm also one of those people जिनको जब भूख लगी होती है तो definitely stores में नहीं आना चाहिए, because I would buy everything to eat. Like I'm one of those people जिनके लिए ये मिसाल बनी है. Yeah, I kind of want to get everything, but also I don't need anything. So I mean, I need a few things. Oh my god, those chopsticks are so cute. Okay, Mona, control yourself. I literally don't know how to control myself. बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें पड़ी हैं. Oh my god, those pans. Okay, I have to show you. The color is just beautiful. Okay, I need to get out before I run out of the 3K I have left. It's not a lot. अभी तक मैंने लिया तो वैसे कुछ नहीं है. So I guess doing good so far. Oh my god, the tray section. Oh my god, the jars. मैं literally ऐसे बात करी जैसे ज़िंदगी में मैंने कुछ नहीं लिया. Look at these jars. Tell me that they're not the cutest thing you've ever seen. They're so unreasonable as well. Wow, did I really just say that? They're reasonable. I am unreasonable. Okay, should I or should I not get them? Okay, I'm gonna get them. I caved in, guys. I'm sorry. Okay. Have you seen that like Khloe Kardashian video where she is organizing her Oreos in this like big ass jar? Kind of want to do that. I need to walk out of here before I do more damage. Those 3 jars are enough. I don't really want these like wooden trays. I see them in a lot of like Korean vlogs and stuff. They are so cool, but they are so pricey. Like look at that. Facial, pata hai crockery costs an arm and a leg, but it's so cute. Sometimes it's worth it. So I don't know if you guys can hear me. The audio might be bad. Okay, I just saw the cutest jug. Please look at this. Look at the size of this. It's so tiny. If you know anything about me, you know my obsession with teacups and tea sets. I just love collecting them. I already have a lot. I have so many mugs. I can probably make a 20-25 minute long video on it. I want everything. Why am I still here? Okay, I am officially out of here. That was so hard, but it's also so bad because my mom gave me some money. I spent almost all the money my mom gave me But to be fair, I did tell her that I needed some things. Needed. I think I'm gonna go like I'm gonna head home now because I was planning on going for coffee, but it's so dark out. Let me show. So beautiful. Wow, this lighting. It's this car in front of me. Iski lights bahut tez hai. And I just can't deal with this. Okay. Anyways, maybe I'm gonna spend some time with them, watch a movie or something. My dad really loves like those serious action movies, and I'm more of a comedy person. And like romantic comedy or comedy, I like having a good laugh. And he's into like intense stories and stuff, which are nice sometimes. But I don't know. Like if I'm going through something in my life, if I'm anxious, I like something to watch that's easy, you know, not something जिसमें बहुत सोचना पड़े. So all time, I just got changed into my comfy loungewear, which is basically an Adidas shirt and some like trousers. I showered. I did some skincare, which you can't see because this lighting is horrible. I just put on some moisturizer. Before that, I did a face wash. I will be doing a skincare routine, but honestly, it's not even a routine. I just like use 2-3 things. So what did I get? I think I should start with the cute things I got. So they're wrapped safely in a paper because they are glass items. So I got these 3, and I plan on putting like little snacks in these. Honestly, इनके बहुत uses हो सकते हैं. If like I make a homemade mask or something, वो इसके अंदर आ सकता है, which I do have a few recipes for. But again, मैं क्या बहुत कुछ रही हूँ, but filming is a process. This jug, I mean, I could not resist. It's so tiny. I don't know what I plan on using this for. Maybe some juice that I got. I'll show you guys. But yeah, it was so cute. I could not resist. Like I said, I love mugs. Like मेरे पास collection है पूरी. So I got this pretty cool one. Coffee mug हो सकता है ये. These days I don't have coffee, so I will have my tea, my chai in this. That's about it for crockery. To be honest, बहुत मुश्किल था अपने आप को रोकना. Then I got these El Sabor के wraps. The light is reflecting pretty badly, but you know, I cannot even put my hand behind this and show you guys. But yeah, these are like whole wheat tortillas, and I use them for like wraps and stuff. You know, sometimes I use them as a roti, which they taste amazing. Then I got these teas. Ahmed tea, the best, honestly. Chamomile and lemongrass infusion tea, just to have before bed, or you know, sometimes when I want to relax in the morning. Then I have this Twinings, again another great brand. I got more tea. I'm just gonna show you these in random order. I got this sugar-free cake from American Cuisine. It's a pound cake, and मैं अक्सर रात को कहीं दफ़ा कुछ चाय के साथ crave कर रही होती हूँ और मीठा नहीं होता है, and I think ये अच्छा है without me feeling too guilty about it. Even though it says sugar-free, it has tons and tons of sugar inside it, so don't trust the label, just go for it. So yeah, I got this. It's chocolate flavored. Then I have another tea for sleep. Honestly, I don't care about this part because, you know, in order to have good sleep, you need to be active during the day and stuff. Honestly, it's the flavor for me. Chamomile, honey and lavender, 3 things that I definitely love. But मुझे chamomile नहीं मिली. Why are they not available? They सबसे common tea होती है. I don't know. Then I got cranberry classic juice from Ocean Spray. Then I got this Fresher का pomegranate juice. I got Masafi का mango juice. मैं normally नहीं पीती, but sometimes I like having things to drink, and you know, these are some options that I want to have. Nescafe के iced coffees, and I have been loving these a lot. I don't know, इसकी quantity is perfect and they're good, you know, for on the go. It's my 3rd time trying these, and I'm a coffee maniac anyway, so anything coffee is good. I got Nestle के I got a lot of juice, पता नहीं खत्म होंगे भी नहीं. Nesruja की apple juices, absolutely love them. I have been obsessed with tiny cans for soda drinks, you know, and I got Mirinda. Who still loves Mirinda? सब कोक पी रहे होते हैं या ड्यू पी रहे होते हैं या स्प्राइट. I love Mirinda, and honestly इसकी quantity is perfect. अच्छा, then I got frozen yogurt. Usually in the morning when I'm on the go, मुझे भूख लग रही होती है. My dad ordered these and I really like them. And these are called nuts bar. पापा ने online order किए थे roasted nuts, peanuts, and I've been having them non-stop. I'll show you what one looks like. This is the packaging. कहाँ से ऑर्डर किया है मैं उनसे पूछूंगी. आई हैव नो आइडिया वेयर ही गेट्स दीज फ्रॉम, बट लाइक ऑनलाइन बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है. जब से उनको शौक पड़ा है, मेरे पेरेंट्स को बहुत कमाल की चीज़ें ढूंढते हैं. आई डोंट नो फ्रॉम वेयर. ये छोटे से बार्स होते हैं. आई हैव बीन हैविंग दीज एंड वाइल दीज आर नाइस, दे हैव नट्स इन देम, विच क्योंकि गर्मी है और वैसे भी मेरे लिए थोड़े से गर्म है, एंड आई ब्रेक आउट व्हेन आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ नट्स. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट आई समटाइम्स वांट टू हैव दिस एज एन ऑप्शन. तो मैं 2 लाई हूँ बिकॉज मैं हमेशा लाती हूँ और हमेशा खाना भूल जाती हूँ. सो माई गोल दिस टाइम इज़ टू एक्चुअली कंज्यूम ऑल ऑफ दिस. आई एम गोना हैव देम विद ग्रेनोला दैट जो मैंने नहीं ली थी बट मेरे पास पड़ी बहुत हुई है घर पे. सो जस्ट गोना टॉप इट विद सम ग्रेनोला एंड हैव दिस. आई गॉट दीज फॉर डिनर, sweet potato fries, and I have friends actually who come over and love these. और मैं काफ़ी दिनों से नहीं लाई थी because I got lazy, so I love these. Venus, y'all, God bless Venus. इनकी range बहुत ज़बरदस्त है. Absolutely love their sweet potato fries, the best, honestly. That's all I got. So I am now going to get up and I think start preparing for my dinner. Okay guys, so this is the air fryer I use. It's from Philips. I don't know which one exactly, even though I have the box right next to me and just too lazy to check it out. ये timer है, ये temperature है, and this is where it tells you कि कौन सी चीज़ कितनी देर बनानी है. And like you take this out, ठीक है, and you click this, you take this out as well, you clean it, and I'm just gonna push this right back in. I have a fish near me, so I'm gonna put that in here. If you want, you can lightly spray this with some cooking oil, but I prefer not to because they are already like pre-made. बस इनको थोड़ा सा गरम करना होता है. I'm gonna close this container. मैं इसको set करूँगी about I would say 17-18 minutes, ठीक है? And I'm gonna check back once it's done. As I'm boiling some peas, make sure you wash them. They are pre-packaged और पता नहीं साफ होते हैं नहीं. Yes, they are pre-boiled and everything, but I don't trust that. और मैं धो लेती हूँ. So I'm just gonna boil them for like 5-7 minutes. Just look at this yumminess. So sweet potato fries, peas, ranch dip, and my air fried fish. Love it. Guess what I'm watching while I'm having my dinner? It's Friends. Always, always, and always. Alright guys, so now I am basically done with my dinner. Finish कर लिया सारा, बस थोड़ी सी chickpeas रह गई थी. Chickpeas. I mean it's the pressure of vlogging that's making me forget how to talk, but then again I talk like this in real life also. I have not put my groceries away yet, so I think I'm gonna do that. Then I might go sit with my parents for a bit and have some tea, or maybe watch a movie, then come back to my room and maybe journal. So I'll catch you guys then. So yeah. Look what we have here. So I cut them into little slices, and we have my tea, we have Friends, and just the perfect end to a night. Guys, guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I am super duper tired now. I've had my tea. I've watched Friends. What time is it? It's 10. What? It's 10:23 only, and I'm already sleepy. I woke up pretty early and everything, so I'm already sleepy. Am I old? But yeah, I guess I'm gonna call it a night and just gonna snuggle up into my blanket and just sleep. Because look at this, like look at these dark circles that I have. That ain't cute. I'm just gonna fall asleep watching some Friends, hoping I turn my TV off, because मेरा TV on रह जाता है और मैं सो जाती हूँ, because मुझे इतनी नींद आ जाती है. I get so tired. I've been swimming and I've been like working out on the same day और काफ़ी देर. So obviously like काफ़ी देर हो गई है इस तरह की, you know, back to back routine follow किए हुए, तो इंसान थक जाता है. So I'm just getting back into the swing of things. I still don't have an outro planned. I don't know, हो सकता है time के साथ आ जाए. Could be like a catchphrase or something, but see you guys.